Hey guys, I'm going to jump right into it, man. When I was your age, about a junior or senior in high school, I remember asking my moms for the Jordans. I mean, at the time when I was in high school, I mean, they were $100. I know the Concords today, they're like $260, but she couldn't afford them. She say things like money doesn't grow on trees or you need to get a job. How many of you guys have heard that one? Guys, money problems is an epidemic in this entire country, not just this city. When it comes to money, guys, there's a report by CNBC that said 80% of Americans say they live in paycheck to paycheck. In my household, my mom used to say, I'm robbing Peter to pay Paul. Guys, we need a curriculum that teaches students how to multiply the money they receive right at the time that they start earning their first paycheck or receiving that first refund check in college. See, there's a missing element outside of trading time for money, which is what most of us have been taught. You need to go and get a job. Guys, I'm talking about taking a small portion of your money and employ it. Make it work for you. Let me be flat out honest though. I mean, I didn't always know about this skill. I didn't learn about this skill until well in my adult years. Somebody shared it with me to impact my life, and it's only right that I get this information in the hands of young adults as swiftly as I possibly can. God, the friend who introduced this to me told me about a person that started with $200 of their own money and employed it and had it bring them $2,000 in 45 days without punching a clock. A person that employed $1,500 of their own money and had it work to $35 million in 18 months. And how you can systematically employ $75.50 of your own money and have it work to $401,000 in 90 days. Now, guys, I'm not talking about real estate or other entities like that to make money. I'm talking about an actual skill where you learn to employ a small portion of your money to go to work, to multiply into more. With the proven system, with proper coaching and education using the S3 money program. That's the share, the stack, and the stash money program. So guys, understand this. In order to attack money problems, otherwise known as financial literacy, we need to be open to a solution of learning a new financial skill that gives us a new financial vocabulary, the vocabulary of the wealthy. How many of you guys want to be wealthy? Who want to be broke? Nobody wants to be broke. You want to be able to sit at the kitchen table with your children in the future. When they ask you for new shoes, you won't say, money doesn't grow on trees or you need to get a job. You're going to say things like, how many pips will it take to get those new shoes? What lot size would you need to get those new shoes? What pairs are you using to get those new shoes? Guys, that's the language of the wealthy. Are you ready to take your financial literacy to another level and break this nation's curse of living paycheck to paycheck? If so, guys, stand to your feet. Welcome to the S3 Money Program. Guys, after this, we'll never look at a dollar the same way after today.